Alright, y'all, so we ended up fixing the Radial 4 engine. Let me show y'all what I did to fix it. So this whole cylinder right here ended up coming off, and this shaft right here, the timing shaft in there, ended up breaking. You can see where I just glued like a rod beside that part to replace the top part, the top portion of that timing shaft. That's what I did. And I had to make a whole new valve just to replace the other one, because the other one was splitting and everything, just like how the shaft did. So I had to make a new valve, and I had to make a new one of those, then glued everything back together. And while I had the crankcase open, since this cylinder was off, I ended up lubricating all the internals, and now it's even smoother than before. Like, it's even smoother, so that's good. I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds real quick and everything. Like, it sounds way better than before. I always end up upgrading all my engines somehow. Like, let me show y'all. Like, that is actually smooth. Like, that is smoother than before. I will put another run in here with the balloons, because I am curious to see how it runs and sounds with the balloons installed. Like higher pressures and all that good stuff. And I could take this flywheel off. I'm gonna show y'all how everything look. Everything looking good on here. I thought it was over with for this Radial 4, but I revived it. We back in action. I'm gonna put the propeller on here, give it another run, a longer run this time. Since everything back together, I refuse to let it hit the ground this time, y'all. I learned my lesson from the last time. So yeah, this is my little update on here. I'm about to give y'all a little run on this thing. I'm about to put some balloons to it. All right, y'all, we got the balloons hooked up. Let's see what happens. No flywheel, y'all. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna try to add the flywheel, see if we can get a different type of performance. All right, now we got the flywheel attached. Let's see. Sound good. Not bad, not bad. One thing is this thing slipping off the thing. That's how I broke it the first time. Like, the air blew it off and all that. So I gotta find out how to keep this thing on there from slipping off to where I ain't gotta hold it no more. Yeah, y'all, it's not bad. It's not bad. Now I'm gonna just add the propeller, and yeah, we done revived this engine. I'm happy we done revived it and made it better at the same time. So that's actually good, y'all. Just look at the precision. Look how everything works. And yeah, y'all, this is cool. It's cool, y'all. Y'all, let me know what y'all think about this now. Let me know in the comment section.